The next tab that will enter is the insurance tab. In here, you're going to read your lease document and enter in the insurance tabs based off of the lease. So for instance, this lease says that there's a general liability of 1 million minimum and $2 million aggregate. And then this also has a waiver of subrogation. And we found this in section 18.2A. And you would add that information and press save. The next one that we want to add in here is let's go ahead and add workers' compensation. And then we are going to add in that that was found in section 18.2B. There is no amount stated in the lease, and so that it would be left blank. If there is no stated amount, we leave that blank, and then that way, when a COI is added, you click Add COI, drop that Accord format COI, and we have an internal AI that will read that document for you, fill in all of that information as it's stated on the COI document, and then you just confirm that that is all accurate and press save. If that does meet the requirement, so it's a general $1 million and $2 million general liability, this would change to green and say satisfied. This, because workers' comp is either a yes or a no, you did not state a specific amount. It'll say that there is a policy attached if there is, or it'll say no, keep saying no COI attached if not. If you uploaded a general liability COI that had 1 million each occurrence and $1 million aggregate, this would say not satisfied and stay red for you so that you would know that that is the case.